Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to share a detailed tutorial on how to use our brand new AI-powered job board. To access the job board, go to your company page and under Active Jobs, click on More. To create a job listing, you have two options: New Job, where you enter and structure all the information manually, or New Job with AI, where you provide the basic details and a featured image, and let our AI handle the rest. Let's see the second option in action. Click on it, and on the new window, paste your job listing under Job Post, and choose a featured image that will be displayed on the job board. Once that's done, simply click Generate Job to let the AI create your listing. Next, you'll arrive at a window where you can add more details to the job listing. Here, you can update the featured image, job title, and edit the information in each section as needed. You can also modify the job location, salary conditions, and select a contact manager for the position. This can be any manager from your team. Keep in mind, these sections can be customized in your company settings. Once you've made all the necessary changes, click Next to continue. The matching configuration allows you to set criteria that help the AI find the best candidates for your job listing. These criteria can include years of experience, education level, specific skills, and languages. Since you created the job using AI, some of these criteria will already be predefined. If any aren't relevant, feel free to remove them, and you can also add new criteria to better tailor your search. In this example, we define 2 years of experience as a very important factor, and marked a bachelor's degree as a mandatory requirement for the job. Additionally, we set 2 years of experience in Java as a mandatory condition and removed the other predefined skills. Finally, we added elementary proficiency in French as another mandatory requirement. Once everything is configured, we click Save to finalize the matching criteria. Your job is now created, and you've landed on its dedicated page. Here, you can make additional edit. For example, you can change the job status, public or private. More importantly, you can begin adding consultants from your talent pool to evaluate potential matches. To add a consultant, click Add Consultant, then type their name or select from the list. Once added, you'll notice a match score next to the consultant's name. This score reflects how well their CV aligns with the job requirements you previously defined. You'll also find a status drop-down menu, where you can mark the candidate as rejected or assign them to a specific phase of the recruitment process. Another important feature of our job board is the ability to add consultants from your talent pool using filters, allowing you to search for candidates who match specific criteria from the job listing. To do this, click on Add Consultants by Filter. In this example, we'll apply a filter for the Java skill, as it aligns with the job requirements. Once the filter is applied, the list is immediately populated with candidates who have Java experience. If you want to see which specific criteria a candidate matches with the job listing, you can click the Refresh button next to their name to run an AI assessment, which generates a summary of how well they align with the job requirements. You can also do this by clicking Update Score. Once the AI completes its assessment, click on Analysis to view a detailed breakdown of which criteria the consultant meets and where their profile may need improvement. You can also search by tags you've previously assigned to consultants in your talent pool, and further refine your search using scores, helping you narrow down the pool even more. After reviewing the profiles, and since time is of the essence to fill the job post, it's time to start contacting the selected candidates. In this scenario, we'll update their status to Client Interview using the drop-down menu. Then, we click on Send Emails, compose the message we want to share, and the candidate will receive it directly in their inbox, informed that they've been selected for an interview. Alternatively, you can export the list as an Excel file, allowing you to contact candidates through other channels or use the data for different purposes. There are times when we either don't find the right fit within our talent pool or want to reach candidates outside of it. To do that, we need to share the job listing on public platforms like LinkedIn. The first step is to set the job status to public using the Job Status menu. Next, we click Share, which opens the public version of the job listing that will be visible to external candidates. On this page, candidates can view the full job description, the admission criteria, related job opportunities, and contact the job manager if they have any questions. To share this page on a platform, simply copy and paste the link. When someone views your public job listing page, they can apply directly to the position. If the candidate already has a Sprint CV account, they simply need to agree to the data usage terms and click Apply. The manager will receive an email with the confirmation of the application and an AI assessment of the profile. If the candidate doesn't have an account, they'll be prompted to create one first, then proceed with the same application process, at which point they'll also be automatically added to your talent pool. Now that you know how to create and share a job, and how the application process works, it's time to explore how to customize your job board. To do this, head to your company settings and navigate to the Jobs tab. Here, you'll find your job board URL along with various settings that control what is displayed on individual job listings. For example, you can choose to show or hide the salary, depending on your preferences or the type of job. You can also display or hide other types of information, such as your privacy policy, terms of service, the manager's email and phone number, and even your company's social media links, which you can opt to show if relevant. Additionally, you can customize the colors of different job board sections and upload your company logo and a featured image to ensure visual alignment with your brand. Finally, you have the option to create categories to group your jobs, especially useful when managing a high volume of listings, as it helps keep your workflow organized and efficient. Once you've made your changes, press Save to apply them. And that's it. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to contact us and schedule a demo with our team.